What is going on, people? Your boy Aussie. It's been a while. For different reasons. I hope you're good. We're just on the way to get some seats that I've ordered. It's been about 2 months since I've ordered them. Wanted some custom upholstery done. Now, truth be told, I'm going to need to get them reupholstered by my trimmer. Trimmer video should come out soon, but we need to get them retrimmed because unfortunately the hexagon pattern doesn't match exactly how I'd like. I'm quite anal. So I want to make sure that we can get these to match as best we can. So plan is to get the seats, unbox them, have a look at them, and then what I'm going to do is I've ordered some custom brackets as well. What I don't like currently in the market is people buy bucket seats, right? And when they buy a bucket seat, apologies for the angle as well, I don't have my window mount. When you get bucket seats, they'll get like a really light seat, which is great. But then they'll pair it with a massive, and the company that's known to do these big brackets for the cars is Planted, right? Nobody's ran this bracket that I'm going to be running yet, but it's sitting there. I got the brackets first. I got the brackets a while ago, to be fair, about a month ago. We're going to test for it and see if it works. If it works, we might have a much lighter option for everyone going forward. Quite a big seat brand that made them, so fingers crossed. There's only one place you can order it from, so we'll see how it goes. But as soon as I put them in, I will then have an actual lightweight seat versus a massive, I believe that's Planted, it's a steel bracket, and it weighs about 20-25 kilos or 19 kilos, something crazy, right? And that defeats the purpose of having a bucket seat, assuming you're getting a bucket seat for lightweight purposes, right? Nope. Fixed that camera, so it's flying. Hopefully you can see me. I don't know how the angle is in this camera, to be fair. But basically, when I have a lightweight seat. So my plan is to put the new custom bracket in. It's going to be a two-part video because I've shown people the seat already, some people, so I want to be sort of basically the first to put it out there that, you know, the seat's working. So I'll do the second part of it actually getting fitted to the car by Pinkston. We'll probably do a video together and just have me there as well trying to fit it. That'll be fun. And we'll see how it goes. But fingers crossed it works and it's a good combo and then people can start using it. I'm a bigger dude as well, so it's worth noting I got a custom bucket seat made for a bigger size. They're not cheap, but they also are probably some of the nicest buckets that you'll ever see in your life. I'll be fair, I've looked at a lot of buckets. There's some really nice seats, by the way, to mention are OMPs. Their new racing seat, can't remember the name of them. They do a carbon seat as well, it's absolutely stunning, but unfortunately it wouldn't fit me. Most bucket seats won't fit me, so just to put it in perspective, bodybuilding background, not the smallest guy on the planet, so unfortunately I'm about 5'8" and about 120 kilos at my best of times, so you can imagine a bucket seat's probably not the best thing that I could use. However, what we're going to do is unbox the seats, test fit in the next video, but the first video we'll sit in the seat and see how it feels, and then we'll take it from there. But fingers crossed these seats work out for you guys and it's a solid option for anyone trying to run some really fast times and have some really nice seats. Because it's all good and well having a bucket seat, but a lot of bucket seats in the market I don't like because they don't look nice. I mean, they get Kirky seats, things like that, which are just tin can seats, which, listen, they serve a purpose. The only sad thing is, as many of you probably know, I've already had my stock seats reupholstered by the same trimmer, and they're stunning. Once I do a reveal of the interior, they're absolutely beautiful, and it's just sad to take them out to then replace them with this seat, but there's a purpose for it, which is to have a lighter weight seat and a setup for me. So fingers crossed this will work out quite well, and we'll see how it goes. Hopefully, like I said, the camera angle is fine. I'm going to have to check it back in a minute. But yeah, I'll hopefully see you guys shortly when the unboxing. But thanks again for bearing with me. Just a small update in the car as well. It is in the background, it's still progressing along. We found quite a few issues in the car. They've had to strip it back, but I will be putting an update together on that as well. Should be soon, hopefully within the next week or two. There's me posting this, and we'll show you what we've done. We've done, since I had to get taken apart again, truthfully, we've done quite a few upgrades to it as well, since we thought while we're in there, as we do. But I'll catch you guys soon, and I hope you enjoy the unboxing and the reveal of the seats. You guys take care.